Have you ever thought about growing your own medicinal garden? A haven of health right at home, brimming with beneficial herbs and plants? It's not as complex as it seems, and truly anyone can cultivate one. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of creating your own medicinal garden. First, it's all about planning. Selecting the perfect spot for your garden is crucial, considering sunlight exposure and soil quality. Also, it's important to research and choose medicinal plants that will thrive in your area and serve your needs. Once you've got your plan, it's time to prepare your garden. With a good plan in hand, you're ready to prepare your garden. Start by clearing the area of any debris or weeds. If your soil is lacking nutrients, consider adding compost or a slow-release fertilizer to improve its quality. Now comes the fun part, planting. Whether you're using seeds or seedlings, be mindful of the recommended spacing and depth. This ensures each plant has plenty of room to grow and thrive. With your plants in the ground, your garden is starting to take shape. Planting is just the beginning. Taking care of your garden is where the real work begins. Your medicinal garden requires basic care, consistent watering, diligent weeding, and vigilant pest watching. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all care routine. Each plant has its unique needs. Some might need more sun, others more shade, some lots of water, others less. The key is to observe and understand the individual requirements of each plant. With proper care, your medicinal garden will thrive and provide you with a natural pharmacy right in your backyard. Growing your own medicinal garden is a rewarding endeavor that can improve your health and well-being. Imagine the satisfaction of nurturing your own plants and then using them to enhance your health and healing. The benefits of a medicinal garden are manifold. It's a treasure trove of natural remedies right at your fingertips. So why not give it a try? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!